everybody, it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. How are you today? Thanks for visiting with me. I have an unboxing for you. I just got in my order for an upcoming class, and this is what is available in our new mini catalog, and I am going to be sharing with you today on page 9. This is the From My Heart Suite, and is it sweet? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for this class. I was also thinking this can be offered through the mail. So I can mail this to you. You'd have to pay the extra shipping for that, but that I could do. I don't mind. And there's some really cute projects. So let me share with you what I got. And I got free goods too, because it's Celebration. And for every $50, you get to pick something from the catalog. So I ordered, I don't know if you've seen the Parisian set, but that is spectacular. So the coordinating cardstock and ink is the Petal Pink, which I love. So I got some of that in preparation for that with my next order. And then, of course, I always recommend getting the ink refill. It's just a couple of bucks, but it can keep your ink pad nice and fresh and always good to go. And I have ones from years ago, so I always keep everything, and that's what I did. So let's start with the beautiful paper. This is the designer series paper that goes with the kit. Now, things can be ordered individually. I ordered the entire suite. Just made a lot more sense for me, but it comes with 12 by 12 sheets. Sorry for the crinkling. And it has some beautiful, look at the foil, gorgeous. So if you haven't seen this, I am sharing this with you. Let me do it this way. I am sharing it with you. I have a class coming up this coming Thursday, and I also have one on Saturday. So this is what we're going to be creating with, and I could not be more excited. So with that set, you also get the Heartfelt stamp set. This is so adorable, so adorable. It's clear, and I am super excited to use this. So that comes with the set. I'll share 2 of the cards with you that we are going to be creating. And can you see the foil on that paper? Oh my gosh. Ooh, lovely. Just lovely. And how cute is this? I mean, come on. Nothing. You have to do handmade when you do Valentine's stuff. I mean, that's what it's all about. Like when we were little kids. We have our ribbon. This is the red satin ribbon, and it is double stitched on each side. Let me try to open this for you. It's very pretty. I really wish they would bring back more of our ribbons. I use ribbon on just about every project that I make. I love, you know, rhinestones and glitter and bling, and I use it on a lot of projects. But honestly, on every project, I use ribbon. It just is beautiful. So it's double stitched. It's super soft, so it'll make wonderful, wonderful bows. But as you can see on these 2 cards, ribbon. Ribbon just is the perfect finishing touch. The pack also comes with 2 punches. You've got a scalloped heart, and you've got a just normal heart, but you get both the punches. It comes in a duo pack. Yay! I love punches. Use them all the time. Those are my favorite. It also comes with these super cute little doilies, which are darling. You've got the red and the pink. Aren't they cute? And then of course you can flip it over, and now you have white. So super cute. Lots of options for that. Also included are these adorable tins, and these you can bake in. So that's what I'm doing, and I will show you a sample of that. They come like this. You can actually bake in these, which Holy cats, how fun is that? Or you could just put some little treats in it. But I'm going to be making some brownies or cupcakes. But how cute is that? Okay, and then here is another sample of the cupcakes holder that we're going to be doing at my class. Super cute. And here again, there's that ribbon. Love ribbon. And it also comes with sequins. I love doing shakers. And these are little gems. Oh my goodness, look at how blingy they are. Gemminess at its best. So you've got pink, you've got kind of a white, big, small, little, super pretty. This reminds me of this diamond art kit. I don't know if you guys have ever done one of those. I got, the company reached out to me and asked me to do a review on it, and it arrived yesterday, so keep your eye out for that video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for that. But this is the faceted gems that come in the suite as well. And I think that is it. Yep, that's it. So I also got the So Sentimental set. This has something for everything, and you just can't go wrong with it. I also got the matching dies. This is the Stitch So Sweetly dies, and they are sweet. And I also have to say, you guys, I love that Stampin' Up! Is putting these in such nice packaging. I'm persnickety when it comes to packaging. So here you can see the different stitched dies, and I love it. Oh, that scalloped is just the cutest. So this stamp set, I mean, really all you need is some designer series paper, a nice sentiment, and you're done. Boom. Cut it out with one of these pretty dies, and that's it. I also ordered, in preparation because Easter's coming, and I love Easter and little baby chicks and all that kind of cuteness. I also love to set my dining room table. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I always make place card holders and napkin rings and all sorts of cute little goodies for my table. So I thought this would be perfect. Perfect. This little chick is adorable. Adorable, and I love the watercolor look. Don't forget too, you guys, because I did on my last order, envelopes. Envelopes, envelopes, envelopes. I go through these like water, and I was out. So yeah, we've got envelopes, and then I also ordered the Lily Impression Designer Series paper, which is stunning. Love it. Looks like watercolor. Reminds me of all the Monet paintings we saw when we were in Paris in October. And then I got, for celebration, the lovely lily pad. I've seen, oh, there goes my stuff. So I've seen lots of cute cards with this. And there's also a matching die that you can get. So if you place a $150 order, you can get the dies and the stamp set for free. Look how pretty. I love they're doing this too, so you can put the stamp right back on here, and then you know that all your stamps are here when you put them away. Brilliant! And then lastly, I also received for free the Happy Birthday to You. Now, I don't know about you, but I always need birthday cards, so that was a must-have on my list. So there you have it. That is what is new and what my order was. Gosh, I can't wait to get started on this, you guys. But listen, if you're interested in the class with some of the projects that I just shared with you, let me know. I'm happy to ship things, and I can figure out that for you. I think this little tin should be good to fit in one of the $8. I think the width is fine, and I can just kind of put it like that. So it should be good. Shipping should be probably about $8, and that's what we're going to be creating this with. So yeah, that's it, you guys. We have 2 more projects. You're going to make a total of 3 cards. These are the 2. There'll be another one. You're going to do the tin. We're also doing a silk scarf plus a little treat pouch. So I'll share more of those pictures over on my blog. But thank you for visiting with me today. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you see all of my updates. And yeah, that's it. Have a great Friday, a blessed weekend, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.